Hi, so we've just released a small improvement to our Secure Embed feature. So the Secure Embed feature allows you to display files from SharePoint within Monday.com. So normally when you click on a link, what it's going to do is open up a preview within Monday.com and you can see things in there. But you could also open in browser or open in app from this menu here. Now we've had requests suggesting that just like in SharePoint, you can configure what the default link here does. So we have done this. So if you go into administration and into admin apps and Microsoft 365, there's now this settings area here for Secure Embed. So the standard is to open in a preview in a modal, or you could open it in the native client app, or open it in a new tab within SharePoint. So if we just save it to open in the native app and then go back. So now when you click on this, it's going to request to open in Word, and you get that in Word there. We can alternatively say open in a new tab within SharePoint, and now this opens within SharePoint. So this is just a small improvement that we've added to the app. Thanks for watching.